Hello, this is George here with GeorgePauley.com, and we are going to review TrafficZion Cloud. We're going to go over what is it, what have you got to do, or how does it work, and then if you actually do use TrafficZion Cloud, will it help you make some money? Because that's exactly what we want to know. As a marketer, we want to know if we can use any of this stuff to make any money. So what we're going to do is we're going to, a little bit later here, we're going to go over inside TrafficZion, take a look at it, and also the training and so forth. And I've got a couple of videos from the guy who put this all together, and I'm going to let him go through because he explains this, he wrote this, and he explains this a whole lot better than I can. But I want to go over some simple facts here, all right? Most of our stuff is based on traffic. Without traffic, we're dead in the water because you've got your product, you've got your software, you've got your store, whatever your widget is. If you got something to sell, you need to have traffic because you show people, you let them see it, they're either going to buy it or they're not going to buy it. It's all about traffic. And so in my bonus bundle here, I put together some traffic hacks for you that will help you get this TrafficZion working a little bit faster and a little bit easier and a little bit more effective if you decide to buy it. Now, if you're on YouTube and you're watching this review and you do decide to pick up these bonuses and TrafficZion, there is a link down in the bottom in the description. YouTube, go ahead, click that. That will take you to this bonus page. Inside this bonus page, you'll see these green boxes, and you can click on any of these green boxes and you will be able to, it'll take you over to a sales page. Sales page is going to look like this, and then you can kind of go through this. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this, but basically it shows a little how it works. It shows a little bit about some money, blah, blah, blah. You can look at that at your own pace. What I do want to go over though is let's find out what TrafficZion is all about, okay? So TrafficZion, it's a cloud-based, simple to set up software that virtually anyone can use to start getting consistent, free, real human traffic who engage with your websites. Now these websites are WordPress type websites, which is 40% of the traffic. So if you have a WordPress website or you're in the website business and other people have WordPress websites, then this might be something for you. Because this software, it takes real people with real websites and grabs them in traffic. It grabs them and brings them to your website. And so that's what's really kind of cool about this here. Now, some prices here, it starts at 27 bucks and there's a downsell to 37. And basically you get the front end, the license. And if you decide to upgrade to the tribe, and what it does is it gets more eyeballs to any post from your content, from your website or from your blog and so forth. And then the next upgrade here is the inner circle for $67. And then that here will be, it's a private inner circle, and you'll be guiding user, the author will be guiding users like yourself through a blueprint to build a cash making machine from scratch. It also includes $249 worth of premium plugins that's going to be included in this, and these plugins are probably for your WordPress website. Now, the upgrade over here, now done for you, again, 110 done for you websites in any niche, plus premium theme builder, plugins, advanced training, etc., etc. Upgrade number 4 is the agency for $197. I think I need to adjust some of these prices under. These are the real prices. So they're 97, it's downgraded to 67, 197 downgraded to 97, 197 downgraded to 97. So this here should be 197 downgraded. This here is 197 that can be downgraded. So anyways, if you're into affiliate marketing, e-com sales, list building, social media marketing, if you got your own products to sell, you build funnels, you do webinars, you blog, or even membership sites, this could work out for you, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, this is a TrafficZion, like kind of how it works and so forth. So you can watch this here. This is also, I believe, available here on the what do they call it? Can't even think this morning here. On the sales page, okay? So that's exactly what this is here. This is the sales letter page. So you could watch it here. If you watch this on YouTube, go ahead, click on the button below. You'll get to this page, and then you can just watch this video right here. If you decide to take this and get it, boom, get this here. Now, I'm going to go over some bonuses here for you, and even if you only buy the one here for 27 bucks, you're going to get all these bonuses. The first bonus here is how to get unique content on your pages. Now, this is working with WordPress, their blogs, and there's content. And people out there are looking for content. So if you're the expert in something, get some content on there, because this TrafficZion is going to work with your content. All right, and this here is a hack on how to get instant contact for free. Number 2, blogging conversion tips. So again, blogging, this is something that's going to help out your WordPress website. Bonus number 3 here is how to get more traffic. Again, this is traffic, and these are lead magnets. And a lead magnet, if you don't know, for beginners, is something that's going to attract people's attention and say, you know what, I want that. Yes, I will go visit your website. I will give you my email address. I'll give you my credit card. Just give me what you got. Give me that magnet stuff. Number 4 here is something called insurgency. And so this is a hack for affiliate offers, and it's kind of a software program and training all in its own. And it's going to help you earn more sales in your affiliate marketing or whatever you might be selling. This next one here, valued at almost $2,000. This is the online business addicts. You will have access to them. The online business addicts, they are a group of people who are on Facebook, and they are the top 3% of these people who are getting sales. If you're in any industry, everybody knows that 97% of the people just don't make it like the top 3%. These are the top 3%, and they will teach you hands-on how to get that sale, how to take your business to where it needs to go. And they do have a paid upgrade, but there's a free entry level. And by clicking on the bonuses, if you decide to get this, you can have this also, and you can access these people. Bonus number 6, valued at $197. This is a Bing ads course from Jono Armstrong. And this is a full walkthrough of these campaigns. Now, Bing is very inexpensive. Again, it's traffic. So if you're promoting something on your blog, you might want to have some paid traffic. And if you can get it really dirt cheap right now, because advertising is cheap. Number 7 here, the value here I put is unlimited, because this Traffic Secrets from Russell Brunson, it's a free book. Just pay for shipping. If you're outside of the country, you can get the e-version. And this basically is underground playbook for filling your website and your funnels full of your dream customers, okay? As we've talked about before, if you were listening, if you're paying attention, or if you join me late for that matter, it's the traffic, okay? You get people, you show them your stuff, and they decide. Well, you want to show your stuff to the right people, your dream customers. If you have a health product for losing weight, you want to show that to people who are interested in losing weight. That's what it's all about. Anyways, click here if you'd like to get the TrafficZion, and then it will be delivered through Warrior Plus. And you log in your account, and then once you access your product, the blue tab down here, the blue button, will get you to your stuff. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of TrafficZion. Now, I'm going to play a quick video for you here, because this doesn't show you a lot of what is going on right now, okay? But there'll be a video that will. But what I do want to show you, I'm going to come back after this video, and we're going to go over some training.
Hi JVs, and thank you for being here. Now real quick, I'm going to give you a walkthrough and demo on how TrafficZion is going to be bringing you organic traffic, targeted traffic back to your websites. Now this is a simple tool that we used to automate a process that if you did it manually, you would see results almost immediately. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly where you're going to be getting that traffic from. So basically it's 38% of the population is powered from this traffic source. And it's true. The stats that is showing us on SimilarWeb is that this is a very, very popular place with a lot of traffic from a lot of countries, mostly top tier. And there is content and traffic from there that is basically untapped. Now, the way that I would have brought traffic when I would start off with my website was basically head over to the WordPress reader, the WordPress.com reader. And in this area, let's say we'll focus on the travel niche. If I wanted to find more people looking for the travel in the travel niche, either content creators or visitors or anything like that, then I would go ahead and come to this area where it says tags, and I'll enter a tag and put something like travel. Now this will bring out content from other people that are in my niche and also followers of that niche. So what I would do is come and follow these blogs that you can see here. And once I'm interacting with these blogs and websites that other people have put, I'm showing interest in this by maybe even saying great content. Now, our software does not place any comments, but if somebody saw my like, that I clicked on like, and they saw my profile, the way that I set it up through the TrafficZion method is that they'll be able to click on this profile and take you straight back to your own website. So this is my fiance's website, but we're using as a demo so you can see, because we've been using TrafficZion from day one since she set it up. Now it's been since November of 2018 when we set this up, and we've been getting traffic consistently after we've turned it on in November. This provided us a lot of engagement with our websites, where they actually would engage with her posts, with the links. They came from different countries. Followers, every time she wrote an email, people are reading those posts. And this has been all done through the traffic from WordPress reader, which helped push then into the search engines and getting her top tier country visits, and plus a lot of clicks on her content, which means that if you're affiliated with any of the content with your links and they're being clicked on, then you're going to be seeing results as in conversions for offers that you're promoting or your products that you're selling. So it really is for anybody that wants to bring any kind of targeted traffic that will engage with the user through these types of engagement posts. You can see that she's getting comments from all these people are on WordPress, and there's an engagement, as you can see, real people engaging with her website. Now I've done this for multiple sites for the past 3 years, and using TrafficZion has brought us tremendous traffic, and now we've got it online. So it's really simple. Once you sign up into your software account, you're going to come over, you're going to be adding the actual blog that you have. So let's, for the example purposes, it's the travel blog that I created for my fiance, which is this one right here. And you can see that it's just as simple to connect. All we do is once we create the account, I'm going to scroll down and connect everything with the training inside the TrafficZion showing you. Once you connect all that 3 steps, you'll be able to go ahead and click on approve, and that's it. And once you've approved, then you've got your site running and bringing you traffic on 24/7. Now this automates the process by adding the tags, which is the keywords. Our software goes back and engages all, finding keywords in all posts found inside the WordPress reader. Anything that is created and you enter that keyword, it will show up right here where our software is doing it in the background. You don't need to have it your PC on. This is running on the background, and this is how TrafficZion brings you real organic traffic back to your websites on a day-to-day basis, never ending. It's just an untapped traffic source that it really literally never ends. Okay, there's always new people coming on WordPress, building new content. Whatever content they build, it's going to be found on here. I hope you enjoyed this quick demo of TrafficZion, and I'll see you in
Hey, welcome back. And now the training session here, okay? The main training. This is what I feel is one of the most important things, is how do you use it, okay? We know what it is now. It's WordPress, blog, traffic. It grabs other people who and gets them to your site, all right? But how does it work for you? What do you have to do? And that is all in the training here. Excuse me. So, even has a troubleshooting guide here. But anyways, it gives you an overview on how all this works. All right, the simple 3-step process to get started. All right, create your account, connect it to the cloud, and as you go on over here, connecting it all together, building your first website, traffic premium theme, first free website, become an affiliate with ClickBank, and drive traffic to Shopify stores, landing pages, or websites. Just training that keeps on going on here. All right, a full setup walkthrough, must watch. How to start monetizing websites for passive. See here, keto. We know that that's all hot stuff. It's gonna be a holiday. All right, and then some upgrades. If you didn't take advantage of the upgrades earlier, then this is the time to do that. So this is George, and again, if you have a WordPress, you work with people at WordPress, and you want to get some more traffic through this TrafficZion Cloud, go ahead and click the link in the YouTube description down below. That will take you to the bonus page here. From the bonus page, go ahead and click on one of these boxes. That will take you over to the sales page here, and then of course just click on one of these here, and then you can read all this if you'd like, and then that's all you got to do, guys, and you just have to get to work. So thanks for watching this. Now have a great day. Go make some money. Bam!